Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm just going to guide you how to use Binance Liquid Swap in order to stake your coin and earn passive income. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload any video, because every day we are providing a useful video. Okay, as I told you, in this video we are going to talk about how you can use Binance Liquid Swap. Binance Liquid Swap is one of another staking platform. As I told you in previous video, Binance has 5 staking category like BNB Vault, Saving, Launch Pool, Locked Staking and Ethereum 2.0 staking. The same thing here. Now you can find Binance Liquid Swap. If you come to your Binance account, then come to Finance, here you will find Liquid Swap. In Liquid Swap you can provide liquidity, you can add 2 coins or 2 cryptocurrency in order to earn passive income. Besides that, you can swap any coin like swapping bitcoins to USDT to Ethereum. We will talk about it further in this video. The same thing you will get in decentralized exchange website like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Shiba Swap. If we come to PancakeSwap, the same liquidity you will get here. In decentralized exchange website, the percentage of profit is higher than centralized website. Okay, now if we check Uniswap, the same thing here. You can swap 2 coins like Ethereum to USDT, Bitcoins to BUSD. And if we come to Shiba Swap, here the same thing. You can provide liquidity, you can stake your coin, you can swap tokens. So now you don't worry about this. You don't need to come to PancakeSwap or any other decentralized exchange website in order to provide liquidity or in order to stake your coin or swap the 2 tokens. If we come to Binance Liquid Swap, here you can see trade instantly and pull tokens to earn rewards. Here we will get 5 tabs or 5 menu. The first one is pool section. In pool section you will find all liquidity, you will find all the cryptocurrency that are listed in Binance Liquid Swap, and you can use them in order to stake it here and earn passive income. The first one here, you can search about any pools like Cardano with USDT. We will check in order if this pool is available on Binance Liquid Swap or no. As you can check, Cardano with USDT is not available on Binance Liquid Pool. That if we search about XRP with the Bitcoins, XRP with BTC, let's check the same. This XRP with BTC, I think it's not available. Yeah, the same. This coin is not available or not listed on Binance Liquid Swap. So in order to check, in order to find the Binance Liquid Swap pools, you can scroll down, because here we have 9 pages. In each page we will find 10 liquidity. Okay, the first one you can see Dust with USDT, and the total yield is 16.59%. It means you will get 60.59% interest if you stake these 2 coins. Then you scroll down, here you can find Dogecoin with Bitcoins, Dogecoin with USDT, Ramp, Cos, Inch, Char. So you will find this coin. For sure you can check the second page. If there you will find Ship coin also, Ship with the USDT. As finally Binance just listed Shiba Inu on locked staking. As in previous video I just guide you how you can stake Shiba Inu on locked staking in order to get interest. Okay, I want to just stake my Dogecoin in Binance Liquid Swap. Simply I will select Dogecoin with USDT. Here you will see I will get interest about 23%, 23.91% per year, and the liquidity is about let me show you, about 40 million, no, 40,000. I think this one is 40 million. And if we talk about the volume, 24-hour volume, the volume is about 20 million. Okay, how you can add how you can provide this liquidity? Simply you can click on add option, click on add button. Here you can get liquidity where you can provide the true cryptocurrency liquidity. The same you can find this one simply if we come to back and poll section, you can click on liquidity. In order to, you don't need to click on add option. The same thing, you can click on liquidity. Here you will find liquidity section. From here you need to select the pool, like I'm going to select Doge with USDT. Okay, now scroll down. Here you will see this section. What this section is going to do for you, the first one is select pool section or select liquidity. Then here you will find add Doge with USDT. If you add these two tokens, so the fees will be 0. In order, if you don't have USDT, you have only Dogecoin, so click on add Doge, and then it will take fees about 0.1%. If you don't have Dogecoin, you have only USDT, a stable coin, then you can select only add USDT. So for now I don't have USDT, that's why I'm only going to select add Dogecoin. Here I have 1553 Dogecoin. From here you can type the amount of Dogecoin you want to provide liquidity, about 100 Dogecoin. The minimum is 3 Dogecoin, so your coin should be above 3 coin, and the maximum is 12,000. Okay, so if you select add Dogecoin plus USDT, so suppose I will type here about 100 Dogecoin. 100 Dogecoin is equal to $19. So for now I don't have USDT balance, so that's why it's not showing the price, the share. So I will select only add Dogecoin. Okay, click on add Dogecoin. I will select 100. No, for now I will only select 10 Dogecoin in order to guide you. Once you provide the amount of Dogecoin, then in here you will get price of Dogecoin. 1 Dogecoin is equal to 0.19 cent, and the fees will be 0.2%, not 0.1%, and the fees will gonna take 0.01 Dogecoin, and we will receive the share of 2.1516, and then share of the pool 0%, slippage 0.2%. If you select the stable coin like USDT, then this slippage will be 0%, because the cryptocurrency coins like Dogecoin, XRP, Cardano, Bitcoins, the price are not stable. The price is going up and down. That's why the slippage is not 0%. It will be 0.2%. And the total yield will be 23.92%. 92%. If we click on details, our rewards, our interest will be 4.85%, and the trading fee will be 19.07%. The current pool size is 36 million Doge and 7 million USDT. After that, click on I have read, understand and agree to, then simply click on add. Once you click on add option, then you will see this section, add successfully. Okay, the amount I just stake or provide liquidity of 10 Dogecoin, pair Doge with USDT, price, fee will be 0.01 Dogecoin, and share I will get the share of 2.1541. Okay, the current share composite is 4.995 Dogecoin and 0.9956 USDT coin. The share of the pool is 0%. Okay, now how to check your share? Simply click on view my share or click my share. Okay, here you will find all your share. So for now I don't think I will see here anything. Okay, here is my total share is about 0.9917 USD. Total earn is about 0 USD because I have staked my coin now, so that's why. And if we share details, for now I'm in loss because 0.0015 USD I'm in loss, and earning is 0.0 USD. How you can unstake or how you can remove your liquidity from Binance Liquid Swap, and how you can remove your coin from here and send it back to your spot wallet. Simply click on redeem. For sure, if you want to add more Dogecoin, so click on add button, then from here again type Dogecoin like this, the amount, add it to your liquidity. So for now I don't want to add it. Okay, simply click on redeem and then select Doge with USDT. I will select the maximum. Okay, share amount 2.15. okay, I want to redeem on a Dogecoin because I have added only Doge. Here I will receive 9.98, and because the transaction fee is 0.2%, that's why. This is simply, in a simple word, I should tell you about unstake. If you want to unstake your coin, simply click on redeem and select your coin and click on redeem and then confirm. Okay, finally I have unstaked my Dogecoin. I have redeemed my coin and redemption is successful. Like this, you can provide liquidity and you can simply send or transfer your funds back to your spot wallet. So I hope you understand how you can provide liquidity, how you can select pools, or how you can stake your coin on Binance Liquid Swap. So now how you can use Swap. In Swap it's easy if you have used a decentralized exchange website. So in simple word, if you like, you want to sell your bitcoins and you want to buy USDT, like how? From here I will select, suppose I will select Dogecoin. From here I will sell my Dogecoin and I will buy USDT, like this. Maximum here, for now I don't have 0 Doge, that's why. So for now, if I have like 10, then from here you can just simply swap your 2 coins. So this is easy. I don't think this can be too much difficult. So this is the easiest method to use Binance Liquid Swap. Even you can watch the tutorial if you don't know, or if you want to know much about Binance Liquid Swap, simply watch this video, watch this tutorial. So I hope you understand how you can use Binance Liquid Swap, or I hope if you have any problem, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So our video is just end up here. If you haven't still subscribed to this channel, so make sure to click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. So till the next video,